Welcome to Timoyex International. I am Chamaka Maureen, the sales marketer. Here in Timoyex International, we deal on solar installation and solar products. Come with me, let me show you our mini store here. Here we have solar street lights from 100 watts, 200 watts, 1200 watts, which has the highest voltage and motion sensor. We have 600 watts and above. We also sell automatic voltage regulator for AC. We deal on batteries, we sell solar lights and so on. So if you want any information, you can reach out to us on our number shown in the screen. Thank you. We're also located at number 89 Jubalero Street off Council Bus Stop. Thank you so much.
Timoyex International is a worldwide company, both here locally and internationally. We are in the 33 states of the Federation. And also, if you want to come and learn, you are free to come and join us. This here is our conference room. We started our training about 3 weeks ago, and it's going to last for 3 months. So the training should end by December. If you want to join us, you can chat up through the link below. And let me show you our HR. Here is our HR office. Come on, just say hi, ma. Say hi to the camera. Yes, that's our HR manager there. And as you can see that all our lights are on, our bulbs, our fans. Here is our solar installation for the office. This is a 5 kVA solar installation. We have our batteries here. This is our inverter, and you can see that we have been enjoying it ever since when this solar installation. We have not even for a single day have cost to off this solar. We are using light 247, so you can have this installation also at your place of work or at your residence. You can join us today, both if you want to buy any of our products or our services, or if you want to contact us for any kind of installation whatsoever. Thank you.